Assalamualaikum, my name is Ahmad Kamal, and number matrix CE200145. And okay, for this video we are going to look at the additional analysis to the results that we acquired before, and I showed you already how to get the results from the previous video, so check it out. We can see the now we can see the magnetic flow. Uh, we can also see other values included. So this part is quite easy. So we get results. From recent results, we right click on the results, and we can choose whether new contour plot, new vector plot, or new flux line. So we can check anyone anywhere, but let's try out the new vector plot. So for this, we can anything. We can change to wire or result type. We can change to there are a variety of types. So whether we can choose magnetic flux density, the strength, magnetization, current density, Lorentz force density, and bunch more. So now first we can choose the flux density, which is wire, and we hit OK. So now for it to see the output, we can okay. Now you can see what's happening in the density of the magnetic flux, the magnetic field that's going on inside the design itself. So we can see this is the legend. You see, the higher the color is, the radiant the color is, the higher the value of the T. So from this we can click this right there, display the magnetic field. So we can just click steps. There are 37 steps. As see, the change in density magnetic field has fluctuated after it hits the FEM coil, and we can see more movements, as now it has reduced the flux density to around the 0.3 value. So we can still move it around. You see a high value of high value of 4.5 green, and we still can keep going. Maximum is 3, and it's always the maximum at right before it reaches its original state, which is around 2.0. And now it's spinning again. So as you move the steps, we can see the magnetic density change and the flow also direction. We can see, okay, to check whether the strength is strong or not, we can look at the top right. See here, around 10 degrees. So for analyzing the design, we can switch any settings to results. However is required, we can go to the graph result. We can check flux line, flux density. We can click OK. And now for this, we close this and we click this. So yeah, this is the flux. And we can look at its movement of the flux. As you can see, this is the magnetic field direction, so it is stable from the original position as it moves to coil. The flux goes through the coil as it lowers the magnetic rotation, as there's a FEM coil as a conductor. It keeps moving on, and as well as the other results we can see from the result, we can also try the new flux line and color. This is the everything is shown, the direction, the strength, and we can also see the contour plot. Active fields RAM, monetization, and we click OK. This is the monetization. Let's remove it, and we can also see the monetization right here. The maximum is at around right here. It shows you the maximum, as we keep moving on to steps. The maximum reaches the permanent magnet on the coil as it spins around, and it comes back to the original state whenever the max hits the default. So yeah, this is for further analyzing the graphs and the density over we can do much more. So that is all from this part.